Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another stream. Today is Monday. Make sure my stuff looks good. Today is Monday, June 23rd. Everybody. And we are going to see if we catch some trades today. So this week, obviously, we have a lot going on this week. You know, Iran, U.S., all that stuff is definitely going to play a part. So we definitely want to be more defensive just because we do probably expect Iran to retaliate. And if they retaliate, during the day while we are potentially in a trade, that'll likely mess us up. So we definitely want to be in mind of everything that can possibly come with this week. Definitely want to be very careful. We do expect a lot of volatility. We have a lot of news this week as well. Let's go through that. We have a lot of news this week. Red folder every single day. It's definitely going to get some good volatility. Hopefully we can catch some trades and really, have a good week this week. God willing. So yeah, definitely going to look to stay patient though. Let me see if I can adjust my webcam a little bit. I'll just let y'all see that it is an Express account. Ooh. See if that's straight. Rock out with that. So yeah, market is about to open. Right now, we do look pretty bullish on the external. Internally, like a small buy model as well. Definitely would like to see us hold the inversion of the new week open. Would like to see that get respected. And see it look to make a push to London high probably. I definitely would like an open lower, which is what we're doing. Perfect. These look like equal highs as well. Do have equal highs here. This is an SMT high though. Let me see something. London did make a good push. Honestly, I don't think we're going to come back to London, though. We've already taken it. It's being sponsored by a bullish move. Today, I would like to see an expansion. That's what I would expect from today. Some type of expansion move. I could be wrong, but based off of what I'm reading, I would ideally likely see an expansion. Just because we did inverse in the week open, we respected it as a inversion fair value gap already. As you can see, price did already reject from it. So we can likely see it hold, but we'll see right now. Price is correcting. Go back here right quick. Right now, we are just being patient, though. Definitely just want to wait and let the market tell us what it's gonna do. Wait for it to show us hand. Looks like we might want Asia low though. Right now we are just being patient though. Definitely just want to wait and let the market tell us what it's gonna do. Wait for it to show us hand. Looks like we might want Asia low though. Right now we are just being patient though. Definitely just want to wait and let the possible SMT if it's low to be put in. We are coming out of this hourly, but we are still. Alright, so I want to see we SMT this low since ES is, quite some ways away from it. I want to see if ES is gonna reject this or block or not. 5-minute candle is about to close. So let's see what we do if we do want to continue, if we want to reject. Oh, that's going to play a part. Let's keep that there just in case. Now, if we do that, we definitely can look to see Asia low. Just down here, see us rebalance into this fair value gap here. Let me just make sure I'm correct in my marking. Yeah, can look to see Asia low probably. But I wouldn't really want that, honestly. Ideally, we will reject and we will hold this SMT. We won't need to come to Asia low. See how that 5-minute candle is going to close. I like ES, it's rejecting, just had an internal sweep. NQ, I don't really like that we closed below 50% of this. Well, did we for real? Kind of, sort of. We do have this imbalance right here. This is the one that we pay attention to on the hourly. A possible long opportunity here wouldn't be the worst. And I would low-key maybe try that. I'll try a little long on ES. I like this model. 5 minutes into open. SMT, ES is the stronger of the two. I'd like to see if we can get a move here, and then I am in this with very low size. Don't really plan to put on much size this week unless we really, price allows us to, then yes, but as of right now, I'm not really looking to. What's this R? It's a little bit under it too. I will scale 3 here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let's see if I can inverse. We can buy back the inversion now and just have our stop here with the same risk reward. That's annoying. I didn't mean to do that. I meant to set a limit. Hopefully it can still play out though. Looks like we're gonna run this 1 minute, so we should be fine still. If not, then that's just, the price I paid for my own mistake. Me not being super tentative, I meant to do a limit. But now at this point I have to hold. Probably just go break even at this high. And hope that price does get more of a reaction. However, that's not really what we'll see. I'm gonna still partial at these highs just because how the market has been moving. How many coins am I in? I think 6. See if we can take off 4, what that'll give us. I can't believe I just did that though. I suck for that. problems with it. The reason I am parceling so low just because the market hasn't been moving in my favor recently. I haven't been getting the highest risk to reward trades, and with that, I'm trying to just take advantage of what's given. Lower size, trying to take what the market gives. Lower risk to reward, not trying to catch the biggest moves, and trying to be more reactive within the market, be more patient. So that's really what we're going for right now. TP hit. I'll probably take off one more con just to make sure I meet my quota for the day. All right, now we're good. Now I can let this run. I mean, really, won't really do too much for us, just one contract, but honestly, might just get all out here. I'll trail my stop to like right here. Yeah, if I get stopped, I get stopped. If I don't, I don't. It's not the end of the world, but that should have been a better trade. That's my fault. I messed up my thing. That's whatever though. Let's see if we can. I'll probably put my stop below this. Yeah, we do have an SMT at the high right now, so ideally, NQ does follow, especially after we close beneath the 3 minute. We close above the 3 minutes, so yeah, I'm gonna tighten my stop now here. I'm getting a little bit of displacement out. Make an extra couple bills just by trailing it. But yeah, pretty quick day, honestly. Quick stream. We already basically done for the day. Very simple setup. Simple model. I liked it. Took it with lower size just because it is Monday before Red Folder News. I believe they come out at 9:45. So don't ever really want to put on a bunch of risk in a situation like that. So I'm fine with today. You know, we met our $200 day. Did what we had to do. Simple, quick, and easy. And let's continue this, you know, as we go throughout the week. Continue this momentum. I'll probably put my stop here, honestly. I feel like we can look to see up here. Depending on how this next 15-minute candle closes. It's only $20. I'm gonna risk it. I'm just gonna put it beneath the order block, break even exactly, just because of how this 30-minute looks. And 15 minutes about to close. I want to see us close above this OB and push through this SMT and then really extend to London high. NQ is hesitant right now, but this is an A+ model on NQ as well. Despite the SMT, we do look pretty good still regardless. So yeah, hopefully we can continue to push. See how this 15-minute candle closes. That'll kind of determine what I do from there. But ES looks like it's definitely making a run for London. I'll get all out up there. Does kind of suck that I can't take more advantage of the move, but you know, it's fine. I really sold taking that parcel though. I meant to pyramid or I meant to set a limit, and then I would have pyramided, which would have, you know, ultimately made it a better day. But that's all right. Can't dwell on, you know, money that wasn't yours. So we're just gonna let the market do its thing here. Whenever we get stopped or whenever one of these orders get filled, that's when I'll end the stream. But hope y'all did enjoy it. Hope y'all could have learned something. I'll move the face cam so that y'all can see. We did end up making, so far we have locked in a little bit over $1,000 on the morning. which isn't bad at all. I am de-risked for this week just because we have a lot of expected volatility, a lot of potential geopolitical news that can affect the market in a whole bunch of ways. And I don't really want to have that much risk on the table for it. So I am de-risked, just working to, secure a payout and stay out the way for real. So yeah, we are going to probably have some smaller days, especially just for the end of the month. I usually don't perform as well. End of the month, summer months. Not going to be applying too much risk in the market this week. Taking advantage of what we can, and that'll be that. But did secure our $200 day with topstep, so that's always a win in my book. Yeah, it's going to look to stay patient for the rest of the week, take advantage of what we can. I took a very simple setup, tapping and balanced, SMT, changing the state, good quality, not mad at all. I want to see ES continue to push to London. Make this an extra, what would that be? $1,500 a day, hopefully. Extra $500 here if we can get this, so we'll see. I am copy trading 5 XFA accounts. I will show y'all 5 XFAs. So yeah, everything is multiplied by 5. Just gonna let the market do its thing. Really nothing for me to do right now. That 15-minute candle is about to open. We are getting some volume now. We do have 9:45 news, so I'm gonna actually move this just in case of the slippage. I don't want to get slipped out just in case the market does something crazy. I don't want to get pushed past my fill. I don't like that candle, but I might honestly pyramid this if ES can continue to hold above here. I don't like how we close like that though. I need the utmost confidence if I'm going to pyramid a winning position already. I need this change in this state. I need NQ to push through this SMT. NQ is still respecting it. It did come in, have an internal sweep of this low resistance liquidity here. So now I would like to see, price ultimately continue to London high. Now that we've gotten that internal sweep, I want to see this be soup, and I want to see price look to flip and reverse now. But honestly, though, let me actually do this because we might want to come and sweep this data low and then make that push. So I'll give it 5 points. If we do this side, I'll give it 5 points of room beneath data lows. But if we can, and I definitely wouldn't mind adding this position, we can get this change in the state. Adding it. My stop will likely still be in profit, so it really won't matter. It's not, but I'm fine with that risk. Especially with how we look. NQ just pushed through now as well. Really want to see us make that push to London. And then once we take this data high, I'm going break even. Break even there. to see a straight move. Beautiful so far. Keep this high in mind because it is CE of a higher time frame, bigger wick where we're at right now. So I definitely want to, whoa, didn't mean to do that. But definitely want to be cautious right here because we could reject. So I definitely just want to see a quick, straightforward move, if that's what price wants to do. But we look pretty confident in London. So I'm going to be confident in London. That's really how you manage. So I think I'm fine where I'm at, my position. It's not really anywhere I would put my stop to. Do I leave a runner? I'll probably get all out up here, honestly. I'm gonna look to get that extra couple points. See if we can push through London. No, I'm gonna get all out at that high, I think. I don't really think let me see. If that high. I guess we can try to grab one extra couple points, but it's really nothing major. It looks like we're having a pullback right now. I should be protected though if that is the ultimate draw. We should just make that move now that the MAC 50 macros opening. 5-minute candles opening lower. Want to see us get that reversal now. Start to roll over to the upside. But if not, it's no big deal. Do already have locked in profit on the day, so really it's nothing. If it's meant, then it's meant. If not, then it's not. I'm not going to trip off it. Very good reaction off that 1 minute. Very good reaction. Let's just continue though. I don't like that candle. That's no good, no bueno. There we go. That gives me, we have an SMT. No, we don't, but that's still a good reaction overall. That makes me honestly want to put on my stop to this low. been struck. I don't know why my thing got moved like that, but I'm gonna just, I guess I'll leave it. I don't really ain't gonna do much for me, but it's fine. Amazing day today, amazing trade. Very happy with how that just, turned out. Managed everything perfectly, honestly. Was patient. Took a good model. Took advantage of the pyramid as well. Like I said in my previous video, you really just have to be reactive to the market. Don't impose your will on it. Just be patient. Let it come to you. And let it do, let the market do the rest. Once you're reactive, once you are patient, and you're just in a flow state, it makes it so much less stressful. It makes it so much easier. And when you can really just not have to worry, it definitely helps. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let's see if we can get the extra couple points here on our position. Think he was going to continue to push the lender or not. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all really did learn something from it. I hope y'all liked it. I appreciate everybody who tuned in. If you did learn anything, leave a like, subscribe. I'm doing these every day. And yeah, so looks like we're about to get stopped right here though. I'm mad at it. Good day. 2.5K on the day. Very happy with that. $500 across the 5 accounts. So it's at $2,535, $36, something like that. So catch y'all in the next one. I hope y'all learned. Y'all enjoyed it. Peace out.